Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Roku channel on your Apple TV, follow this quick guide to access free movies, TV shows, and live content. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store from your home screen using your Siri remote or Apple TV remote control. Step 2. In the App Store, use the search function to look for the Roku channel. Select the official Roku channel app when it appears in the search results. Step 3. Click Get or Download to install the Roku channel app on your Apple TV. Wait for the download and installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Once installation is finished, return to your Apple TV home screen and locate the Roku channel app. Select it to launch the application. Step 5. When the app opens, you'll see options to browse content or sign in. Select Sign In to activate your device and access all features including saved content and premium subscriptions. Step 6. The app will display an activation code on your TV screen. Keep this screen visible as you'll need the code for the next steps. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit the Roku activation website at therokuchannel.roku.com link or the URL shown on your TV screen. Step 8. If you have a Roku account, sign in with your email and password. If not, you can create a free Roku account. Enter the activation code from your Apple TV screen into the website and click Submit. The Roku channel will automatically refresh on your Apple TV and grant you full access to its content library. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.